god, wait. I think that's her car. Oh my god. Wait, oh my gosh, she's gonna rip that thing off. Oh my gosh, she's trying to get in. No, your keys aren't gonna work, that's not your car. Oh my god. Oh, the front window's cracked. Oh my god. You're not gonna get in there. This is what's wrong with America. Oh no, she's getting up there. No. Oh no. No way.
There's no way that works.
She gonna get in? Oh my god, she opened it. What? But that's her car there, right?
What?
Or is this her car?
I don't know. I haven't
Wait a
started
minute.
questioning it.
Well, she's in.
Oh. Huh. Okay.
So that's someone else's car, I guess. Okay, she's loading up. She's acting like it's her car,
I know, it seems like it.
right?
Huh.
What? Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, she's putting her stuff in.
So, I feel like I saw her get out of the other car.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait. Oh, oh my god. Yeah. Oh, that is her car. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh, she put a bag in the front too. I hope she gets all her stuff. Yeah, that's your car.